Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's video I am going to show you exactly how to make a digital planner to sell on Etsy, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So if you are ever wanted to make passive income by selling digital downloads, then planners are one of the easiest and most profitable product to start with. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to plan, design, export, and list your own digital planner, even if you are a total beginner. So grab your laptop, open Canva, and let's get started. So here we are going to open the Canva. We already have the Canva icon, so I'll search for the Canva and I will land it in here. So in the first step, what we need to do, so we just need to do our research on our planner idea. First thing first, you need an idea that people actually want to buy. You just need to go to the Etsy shop and type digital planner. As you can see, we already did the thing. Then in the search bar, you just need to hit enter and you will see best sellers like daily planners, weekly planners, budget planners, fitness trackers, or restaurant planners also. Look at what's popular and check how they are designed. Make notes about what they like, colors, layouts, page types, and think about what you can do differently to stand out. Good research helps you to create a planner, like clear planner that people want and need it. Now let's talk about to create our planner in Canva. So next, let's design our planner. Canva is a perfect for this because it is a free and super easy to use. So here you just need to log into your Canva account and click create a design. Just click over here and let's search for planner in here, planner, and let's copy that one from that place. Just copy this one, planner, and I will apply it in here, and let's search for planner and you will get to see the planner in that place. So I already mentioned that Canva is a perfect place for this because it is free and super easy to use. So here you just need to choose the custom size. Most digital planner use standard size like A4 or US letter. You can also create horizontal pages if you want a landscape layout for tables. Name your file, for example 2025 daily planner, or you can choose an responsive one. So here you can see we have a couple of planner already. We can do redo in that place and then we can apply it in Etsy. This is the easiest one, but if you want to start from the scratch, you are allowed to do it in here also. Like here, if I come over that place, here you will get the options to this one. So I will come back that place and let's click on create an blank planner, or I am going to choose this one. Just click this one, and here I just need to click on customize this template. Once I click over here, then actually I will get this page open in here which calls editing page for us. So now we just need to design our calendar or pages. Now let's build out the actual pages. So here you can see all pages is created. So I want to create a new page with that one. Just click on add page and you can see it is completely the empty one. So think about what page you want to include. For example, it could be a cover page with your planner's name, yearly calendar, monthly spreads, weekly or daily pages, habit trackers, budget sheets, or not even note pages. So start with your cover, a text, your brand name, maybe a cute illustration or background. Like here you can see that in the cover you can see the daily planner, then the name, then the background. We add a couple of elements in here, so you can do it the same things with yours design. You can see it how easy the process was. Let's try to do it and create an cover. So I just need to come over here and paste it here, and I just need to be write something. Let's say write holidays planner, holiday. Let's copy all this one, holiday planner, and once it's done I will choose the font. So here I will choose this one, and then I will play like this way, and also I will reduce the line spacing also, and I will increase the font size. Once I did, then here you can actually see, and I will place it into the middle. here, and then I will go to the elements options again, and from that place I will choose this one and I will place it here, and I will increase the size also, and I will place it properly, and I will change the color so it look good with that one. So here you can see how easy the process was. I hope you can also able to do it. So now I will add my name in here, that is Mahim, and then I will place it here, Mahim, and then I will change the font. I will make it this font, or you can choose this one. So I will good to go with this one. Once it's done, now I will add couple of elements, like the elements will be the calendar, and here you can actually see the graphics, so you can choose any of them, or you can see our first one. You will able to see it. You can choose this one and then you can paste it here. So it's totally an easy one. You just need to understand. So I will change the positions. I will make it to the backward. So I will click on backward, and here you can see it already been placed into the backward of our design. So you can just duplicate the pages and build out your layouts. Use canvas elements to add lines, shapes, checkbox or icons. Keep your fonts clear and easy to read, and stick to 2 to 3 colors so your design look clean and modern. And remember, white space is your friend. Now let's talk about to add hyperlinks. It is an optional one, so it is not necessary. If you want to sell a clickable digital planner which is super popular for tablets like iPads, you can add hyperlinks in Canva. Select the text or shape you want to link, like a tab or button. You just need to click the link icon and add the page number. It should jump through. For example, if you merge tabs should go to the page 10, link it to page 10. Then hyperlink tabs makes your planner more premium and easy to navigate for your buyers. Now once you are done the designing, it's time to download your planner. You just need to click to the share in here, share, and then just click to the download, or you can choose the PDF one. Just click to the download, and from that place you can choose PDF standard or PDF printer. PDF printer is the best if you want to your papers to be super sharp. Make sure Flutter PDF is unchecked if you want your hyperlinks to stay clickable. Download your file and double check that the page look good. And now you just need to set up your Etsy listing. So you just need to come over here into that place. And now let's get up for the sale. Head over to your Etsy shop dashboard and click add listing. Upload some eye-catching images. You can reuse your Canva pages or create mock-ups showing your planner on an iPad or computer. Write a clear title like 2025 Daily Digital Planner for GoodNotes and iPad. Add keywords in your description tags. Words like digital download, GoodNotes planner, PDF planner. Set your price. Most digital planners sell for 5 to 25 depending on the number of pages and features. Up to type and make sure you select digital products so buyer now know they will download it instantly. Then you just need to upload your file. Let's upload your actual PDF under digital files. This is what your customer will get when they purchase. Double check it the correct file. No one likes delivering the wrong products. Once everything looks good, hit publish and your planner is live right now. So now let's talk about the promote your planner. To get sales, don't just post and wait, promote it. Share your planner on Pinterest, TikTok or Instagram. Make a short video showing how it works inside an app like GoodNotes. Good visuals help shoppers see exactly what they are buying and trust you more. So that's it for today. Now you know how you can create a fast digital planner and list it on Etsy. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.